Fucking clothes ain't drying over here at the wife's house. Lucky me, she went to Cat Fest and I get to come stay with the kids. Her dryer is clogged up and it needs fixed, so I'm gonna fix it. 2-in-1 dryer. It has the washer and dryer in one. It gets really clogged up in the screen because of the lint trap. So, I mean, I would never recommend one of these 2-in-1 dryers. This one's the LG Profile. First off, you have to come over here to the shop vac. You have to take my filter off of it. Why do you take this filter off? Because we're sucking water, not air. See, that's how empty it is right now. And you get to that filter by undoing these clips. You always have to make sure that fucking filter's out of there or else you ruin the filter. Now, we get this attachment. Take it off and put it on here. And turn this on. Usually it's got a bunch of this shit in it. But it's not really that clogged up. So we'll put this attachment on it. Guess it's not clogged. She just loads it with too many fucking clothes. See, that's what this fucking hanger's for. Just to reach in there and get all the lint off of these things. And get all the lint out of here. Try to. And then eventually you have your own little fucking sweater. You can take all this fucking lint and stuff. It came out of it. Make a sweater, bro. Maybe because this thing never gets cleaned. I swear, I think I'm the only one who ever cleans this.
Them 2-in-1 washer and dryer combos, just think of it this way. The main reason we got that was because we have over 100-foot extension on our exhaust for the dryer. So we got a 2-in-1 thinking, well, if we do that, we don't have to worry about cleaning that out. Because our old dryer, they did an addition onto the house, which made the dryer exhaust not just go outside the wall that was right beside it. It made it go over, up, and the full length of the house out in the attic. So we got that because I was tired of cleaning that fucking exhaust pipe out. But now we gotta worry about all this lint and stuff going down the drain. And it fucking stinks. And if you don't get the clothes out right away when it starts backing out like that, your old clothes smell like dirty socks. And I don't know if it's more of a fire hazard. Maybe one day she'll want to pay me to take it apart and clean all the lint out of it. Because I'm not going to fucking spend all day working on that son of a bitch. Because she tells me my time is wasted working for her. That's why you don't see me working on the house this weekend. she's off living her best life, going to concerts and shit. But that's besides the point. Don't get a 2-in-1 washer and dryer combo, or get one that's not an LG profile, because this one kind of sucks. Peace.